Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Aika, and if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and also press the bell button to be notified each time I upload a new video. So last week on Wednesday I went to London specifically to look for my wedding dress and also the wedding shoes. It was a fun trip. I only stayed there for about 8 hours. That was very quick and very spontaneous trip. But I visited the place with the dresses, and unfortunately they were beautiful, but they were way over my budget, and I just couldn't let myself buy such an expensive dress that I will only wear once in my entire life. I thought it was a waste of money. Although it was beautiful, I think it wasn't worth it, I guess. But at least I found the shoes of my dreams for my wedding, and I'm so excited to share them with you. So, first of all, I got them from Harrods. But before that, I went to the official boutique of Manolo Blahnik. Can you believe that? So yeah, my very first stop was at the flagship store of Manolo Blahnik in London, but unfortunately they didn't have my size in this exact model, so I had to go to Harrods, and fortunately they had only one pair in my size because they are completely sold out everywhere. I'm so happy that I found them in my size and they were brand new. So I was the very first person who ever tried them on. Let's just see. So here is the little Manolo Blahnik card. Thank you for your purchase. It is wrapped really nicely as well. Okay, and the box is empty now. So they come in these two dust bags as always, and are you ready to see them? Oh wow, I cannot believe I got them. I cannot believe I found them because they are just too gorgeous to be true. Let me get them out of the dust bags. So, are you ready to see my dream wedding shoes? Ta-da! Oh my god, how gorgeous are these guys? They are so beautiful. I cannot believe it. Look at all the glitter and sparkle. So they're called Hangisi glittered pumps, and they are in color glitter silver. They have these pointy toes, the classic ones, and I love the pointy toes. Also, they have these beautiful white crystals. The latest models that I've seen on the internet had some darker crystals, and I wasn't a big fan of those because it's for my wedding day and I'm gonna have a beautiful white dress, so I wanted white crystals. And when I saw this for the first time in Geneva, I fell in love with them, but again, they didn't have the right size for me. The heel of these shoes is about 9 centimeters. I cannot believe how comfortable these are. Usually, I hate wearing heels. I never wear them, but these are really comfortable, and I hope I'll be able to last in them for the whole party. But what do you think, guys? I think they are one of the prettiest shoes I have ever seen, and they also remind me of the Cinderella shoes. And I think I'm still dreaming, and I still cannot believe that I got them and that I went to London to get them. Oh my god, these are gonna be so special to me, really. What else I wanted to say about this? I don't even know. They have the leather sole, leather inside. This is all fabric, so this isn't leather, it's all glittered fabric. And take a look closely. They are gorgeous. Such beautiful shoes. Also, these shoes are from the current collection. I found them on the Farfetch, and I will leave a link down below if you're interested. They were not a part of a bridal collection, I think. I just saw them separately on the display and I fell in love, and I thought they were perfect for my wedding, and they look pretty bridal to me. But what I also love about them is that it's not like white satin, because it gets dirty so fast, but this ones, they're not that delicate, I think, and also I'll be able to wear them after my wedding too. And also I wanted to share a price with you. I've noticed that London is a little bit cheaper than Geneva. Well, in terms of luxury shopping, things are just a little bit cheaper than in Geneva, and also the tax refund is incredible. Like, it's 16.6%, can you believe it? So I got the shoes for £775, and that was 1,000 Swiss francs, and in Geneva the price is 1,080 Swiss francs. So I already saved up 70 francs, but on top of that I got a tax refund of £90.25. And that's about 100 Swiss francs. Like, I saved 180 Swiss francs, and I think it's such an amazing deal, such a good one, the best one I could find. Anyway, guys, I think this is it for my today's video. I will also include a couple of clips from my trip to London. If you're interested, just keep watching. It wasn't a great vlog, but simply because I didn't have enough time to film everything, and unfortunately I couldn't film the store where I got the shoes because, again, I was in such a big rush. Basically I was walking all the time, and it took me about 30 minutes, maybe 40, to get from one place to another. And I kept walking and walking because at the same time, apart from like going shopping, I wanted to see London a little bit, and I wanted to walk around the streets because springtime is beautiful in London. Everything is blooming. It's just so flowery. It's so beautiful. It was sunny. It was really hot outside. So I really wanted to enjoy the weather. I really wanted to enjoy London. So I didn't film as much as I wish I did. But anyway, if you're still interested in seeing that, just keep on watching. For now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Very busy. I am at the Victoria station. Okay, good morning guys. I think you can hear me better now. Anyway, I am in London. I came here to visit the bridal store because I'm looking for a dress. Maybe I'll do some other shopping, we'll see. I haven't been in London for many years, and actually I'm so excited to be here. And I'm only staying in London for 8-9 hours, I think. So my time limit is pretty tight. Hopefully I'll be able to finish everything I came here for, and we'll see how the vlog goes. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. Because it's really sunny today and the weather is amazing. I'm in the Green Park right now, passing it to get to the Piccadilly Circus and then go to Mayfair. where I have an appointment, but I need to find a place to eat. Yeah, that's #1 top priority for right now. I'm at this place, it's called Eat, and I got myself some chicken with avocado and some coffee. So yeah, there goes my second breakfast. Okay, I've arrived and it looks so beautiful. Everything. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye guys.